Before the part 2 start, make sure to click the subscribe button to Nora and and also please watch some video for Nora and don't forget to watch the part 1. Okay, so today let's talking about the last part. So actually, the last part, the girl just a poor girl that tried to get some food and a stuff from people, but no one just give me, and someone come and just judging her and flexing her pet to Bella, and Bella just really sad and she upset. She was so hungry and thirsty, so she decided to go to the coffee shop and get a free tea from the walker. From the seller, and the rich girl actually took her pet. And today this part we're going to be more fun than more part. Okay, so let's getting started. Oh my god, Pew, finally, I'm done with this. Oh, what about another room? Wow! So people come here to take care of the pet in here. So I have to talking with God, actually. Look, oh my god, how pretty is this? Oh my god, the ghost bunny room. Oh my god. Oh my god. This was such a best thing I ever seen. Let me see more. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I cannot believe that actually walking in this house is spooky, even shop. But it's already a day, and she said I have to get a $5. Yeah, if I get a $5 to buy some food to eat. So I have to find her right now. Okay, let's get going right now. Miss, I'm done for the work. Oh, you done it? Yes, I'm done it actually. Okay, let me go see it. I hope everything is fine. It's so clean, huh? Okay, let me go to another one. Okay, miss. Phew. Let's go after her. Ooh. Yes, miss, that place was actually a lot of, I think people just putting a lot of a lot of stuff right here, so I just prepare all of them. Great job, girl. Okay, what a perfect you do it. You're so awesome. Of humor. Okay, so it's already a day, right? Yes. It's already a day. Okay, let me go to another room. Okay. I think this room is kinda interesting and cool too. Why are you so good at cleaning? I don't know. Okay, let me go to another one. Okay. I'm actually soft, am I? Okay, so I think this room is actually pretty interesting. But can you decorate something in this room? You want me to put some anything stuff right here? Yes, put it later. Okay. Let me go to the last room. Wow. Yes. How do you decorate this room? Actually, I just put a circle right here. Yeah, and I'm just put a bed top and this right here to decorate it. Oh, wonderful! Today I'm going to give you $10. Oh. Is it okay? Yes, thank you. Oh my god, am I actually supposed to get? Oh my god, I can't believe she actually like it. Oh my god. Okay, you just only doing our today and tomorrow. Don't forget to come again. I'm gonna give you some more. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Oh my god, wait, what happened to me? Okay, it's fine. I can't believe it. Oh my god, miss, thank you. Oh my god. It's no problem. Don't kick me. Okay. Oh my god. I can finally get some food in outside. I get a $10, which means I can buy some more stuff or anything what I want. Oh my god, am I supposed to get some expensive food to eating? Oh my god. Oh my god, let me go to this. Oh my god, what a lucky day, Bella. I can buy some food, some drink right now. What about a $10? I go to the supermarket to buy, go to the grocery store to buy some food. I can't believe it. Oof it. No, I don't care about that one. The thing that I have to go get some food. Oh my god, what I'm gonna buy? This. Oh man, I sound something pretty weird though in my ears. I guess it's just a dog maybe. There's someone just talking about me or something. Anyways. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this chocolate. Oh, it's so yummy. Oh, I was so hungry today. Let me some more food that I got. I forget that I have to give money. Oh no, what am I gonna do? No, it's fine. We can give him. Okay, let me buy the taco. I think my scarabs want it. I think I have to buy some burger. Oh, a taco. Ew, gross. Wait, huh? Wait, is that the girl that poor I saw? Wait, I think I didn't know you. What are you doing here? You didn't even have money to buy a lot of food like me. I actually... Ouch! I actually get some money. And what with that ugly pink shirt? Pink clothes, bruh. I got this clothes because I'm working as a job in Halloween shop. Oh man, that's all. Yes. That's what you got in. But anyways, get out of here. No, I have money to buy too. Oh my god. He just come to doing something bad on me again. Okay, fine anyway. Let's just get out of here. Here, Justin, here. How much is it? I know that your going doesn't have any money to do it, you know. I need to pay it. It's It spent around $30. Oh my god. Wait, I forgot that she said. I forgot what she said when I get money. She said that she keep $100 today first. Here, Justin, $100. Oh, wow, damn. Oh my god, thank you. Wait. How do you get $100? You're so poor, and how do you get it? Miss, them fighting in the shop. Sorry, Justin, but I buy this all. How much? It's been only $2. Wait. You just said that you buy a lot. Why only buy one? You didn't even know I don't want to eat a lot like you are picking and you just smell grossy. You know what? Just get off this shop. Now I have to get it. I think I have to buy a houses. What about trying to walk in a coffee shop? Hello. Hi. What? You are the girl? Yes. Here is the money. Sorry for the yesterday that I get your tear free. It's okay. Wow. Can I walk here? You already walk somewhere. No, I can walk to place. Okay. 20,000 years later. Phew, finally I'm done it. Nice. $10,000. Wait, why you keep too much? I think that's too much. I just walk here for a day. No, take it. Because when you with the gush, you're so kind of gush. I saw you do it like this. Oh my god, Miss, hi. Is here what have a food or a drinks to drink? Yes, of course. Then I wanna buy it. Okay, Miss, please go sit right there. Come with me. Okay. Okay, you can sit here, Miss. Also, do you need anything else? Actually, is here have any pizza or something? Actually, I'm kinda a rich girl, so I can buy a lot of stuff. Oh, then why your name? No, it's just for playing. Okay, Miss, I'm going to get you a tear. Yes, okay. Oh my God. If finally have some cautious come. Here. Hiya. Here, miss. Are you waiting for long? No, it's fine. Here, miss. You're not escaping with the item? Sorry about that. There, now you can give me. Okay, done well. I hope you enjoyed the tear instead and this shop is still so yummy. Do you need any else more? So I can't do anything what you want right now. Okay, so does you have some pizza or something? It's a coffee shop, but how can I get a pizza? Maybe I go to buy. No, maybe I check. Yes, miss. I have a pizza. It's a cheese pizza. Really? Thank you. What a nice shop. This shop is only sell coffee, but you do everything what I'm saying. So let me go to give a money. Sir? Oh my God, you're the rich girl. Aww. Okay, miss, I promise to give her a $20 $10 and a car to walking on in another place. Yes, so well, bye.